Hi, today I'm going to be showing you guys a cool little demo about the neutralization of acids and bases, the reaction that they do when they combine together in order to form water. Now, what I got here are some colorful solutions, and they're only colorful because I added some, food dye. But basically I did it so that you can easily see where the water levels are. Now in here, I just have water, plain old water. And this is in a volumetric flask is what this is called. And I don't know if you can see this well, but right at the top here, it has a little mark, and that indicates exactly 1 liter, okay, or 1,000 milliliters. Now, when I do this, just to illustrate, I have a graduated cylinder, goes up to 1,000. And I'm just going to pour this in here just so that you can see what the exact volume is. It may seem a little bit off. When I do that up here, you see that it goes exactly to 1,000 milliliters. Okay? Bring that close, 1,000 milliliters. So we'll put that off to the side. Now, what I have here are 2 solutions, an acid and a base. I have over here 1 molar solution of hydrochloric acid, a strong acid. And over here I have 1 molar sodium hydroxide. Now I have equal volumes of these, and each one is at exactly 500 milliliters. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these together into the volumetric flask. And if these were just pure water, 500 plus 500 should give me exactly 1,000. So let's see what happens. All right. First of all, I'm just going to throw in the hydrochloric acid. Pour that in carefully. Don't want to spill anything. And again, they're only colored so that you can see the levels. All right. Usually both of these, as you can see in the bottles, are perfectly clear solutions. All right. They look just like water until you notice their chemical properties, such as tasting sour and so forth. So here we have 500 milliliters of the acid. And again, normally it looks like this. I just put in food coloring. Here's the base, looks clear. But I put in food coloring just to make it a little bit more interesting. And now here is exactly 500 milliliters of the sodium hydroxide. And when I pour these in, and of course, blue and yellow will make green. That's a physical reaction. Doesn't normally turn green. But when I put it in, now again, you see here, that is just below the 1,000 milliliters. And if I put this in carefully, I have more than 1,000. So the 1,000 milliliter mark is right here. I have this much more. All right. How much more? Well, let's see if we can't measure it. I have a little 10 milliliter graduated cylinder here. And if I go and fill this up, so that's 10 milliliters, and there's still more. All right, so that's 10 milliliters, and I'll tell you right now, there's 2 more. So in this case, 500 plus 500 equals 1,012, okay? And that is because of the water that is created in the neutralization process. The hydronium ions from the acid combined with the hydroxide ions for the sodium hydroxide in the base, and they created water. All right? And that's it. That's the neutralization reaction. Thank you.